Hello, I hope you're all doing great. Let's welcome you to this episode on Kevina Talk. In this video, I will share the main causes of obesity. First, let's get the difference between obesity and overweight. Now, these two, the difference all lies in the body mass index level. Okay, a person is considered to be overweight when their BMI ranges from 25 to 29.9 kilogram per square meters. And then, on the other hand, a person is considered obese if their BMI is above 30 kilogram per square meters. Now, have you ever wondered why some people just tend to gain weight, irrespective of however little they eat, okay, irrespective of how much exercises they do? Now, on the other hand, there are people who just can't gain weight no matter how much they eat, how frequent they eat, and how less active they keep. Now, I'll move straight to the four main causes of obesity or overweight. So first in line is a high energy intake. Okay, now when we eat foods that are very energy dense, what happens is that the excess energy is converted to fat and stored in our bodies, and that will significantly contribute to our weight gain. Okay, now it is basically this, that the level of your weight gain is dependent on three main factors. Okay, how much energy are you taking in? How much of that energy is your body burning? And then how much of that energy is your body storing? Now, all these three are influenced by genetic and environmental factors. Now, there are people who have a high metabolic rate, while others have a low metabolic rate. Now, if your metabolic rate is low, then you have a higher chance of becoming overweight or obese. Now, the second cause of obesity is a family history of overweight or obesity. Okay, now according to research, if both your parents are overweight or obese, then you are 80% more likely to become overweight or obese. In addition to that, if you have a family with blood relatives who are overweight or obese, then you are also at risk. Okay, you have higher chances of developing overweight or obesity in your lifetime. Now, genes have a very vital role that they play in body weight gain. Now, there are a number of ways in which these genes control our body weight gain. First, the genes influence our level of appetite. They influence our level of physical activity. They influence our metabolic rates, okay, and so on and so forth. The third cause of obesity is a sedentary lifestyle. Now, if you are someone who is less active, what does that mean? It means that your body will be burning very little energy that you take in. And that means most of the energy is going to just get stored, converted into fat, and then you gain weight. Okay, then the fourth and the final cause of obesity in this video is stress. Now, someone could be wondering, how can stress cause obesity? Now, stress causes obesity in a number of ways, amongst which is that when we are stressed, okay, in most cases we do not have adequate sleep, so we spend sleepless nights. Now, what happens is that when you have less sleep, your body is going to use very little fat for energy production, because fat in most cases is used by the body during sleep. So the less you sleep, the less fat your body is going to use for energy production, and that means most of it is going to be stored and contribute to your weight. Then the other one is that, according to research, there are people who tend to eat more to cope with stress. So the more stressed you are, the more likely you are to become overweight or obese because of a higher intake of food. Okay, now I hope we have liked today's video, and if you have any questions, I would like to welcome you to ask your questions, and then I will be able to answer some. And I also welcome ideas from the viewers out there. Thank you.